Hi there. Welcome to the Sagebrush Happy Hour Journal for entry for April 5th, 2025. So today's been a overcast, cold, snowy day. It's kind of hopefully maybe our last major winter storm, and hopefully we'll get a little bit of precipitation out of that so that I can get some water in the cisterns, which are kind of starting to cry for some water. And it was just a good day to kind of stay inside and do some inside work. And so what I basically did was spend some time. I got a new hard drive the other day, and so I spent some time today basically cleaning up my hard drives and organizing hard drives and doing some computer maintenance. And so my primary computer is it's getting a little bit long in the tooth. It's a 2018 MacBook Pro. And then I have an external GPU with a Radeon RX 580. And then I've got I guess about 15 terabytes of external drives. And so when I do my time-lapse photography, that's generally generating like 1,000 to 1,200 JPEG images every night, and when I process those images, I kind of double that up and create the movies from that. And so I end up using a lot of data, and so I'm filling up hard drives fairly regularly. And so today I was able to get a few of those a little bit more organized, and now I can have a little bit more space to process some stuff and some of my astrophotography and stuff that's been kind of backburnered until I can get time to process it. And then the other thing I was able to do was update one of my astronomy website, which is skylapser.com. And specifically what I was doing is working on the all-sky camera. And so I've got several cameras that run every night. I have a north-facing monochrome meteor camera that it has a special software that detects meteors, and it creates a time lapse every night of the northern sky. It's basically aimed at Polaris. And then I've got the couple of these TAPO security cameras that have a really low light color capability, and they can record video at night. And so I've got one of those facing east and one of those facing south, so that if there's a meteor, then they have motion detection on it. And so if they see a meteor, they can basically record some video of that, and so I can get some real-time meteor shots. And then the last camera I have is called an all-sky camera, and so that means that it's a camera that's facing straight up, and it has a 180-degree, a little bit even more than that, field of view, and so it captures the entire night sky. And so it's fairly high quality, not as high quality as I would love it to be. And so hopefully I updated the software today on that, and it will get a little bit higher quality, and we'll see if that actually works. So you can always visit my astronomy website, which is skylapser.com. And you can see the live cameras right there on that site. And so that's kind of what's happening on the Mesa today. Petey wants to go outside. Cheers, everybody.